Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, fam. Whenever the time zone you are turning in from, you already know my name is AbuAG001. Kindly don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you will be the first person to see my video. You already know yesterday I was not able to drop the video yesterday because when I did the video finish yesterday, when I make the analysis finish yesterday to post it, there's no network. So I have technical issue on due to the network. I was not able to drop the video, the analysis for yesterday. So let's quickly go into the chart and see what we have in the chart today. You already know today is today is West Wednesday. Wednesday, this is the mid of the week, and let's see what the market has for us so that we can just follow the market and see what it has for us. You already know from Tuesday to Friday, we started our analysis from daily time frame, while Monday we started from what monthly and weekly for the key level. See, you already know we started from fundamental analysis to see what is happening on news, and you can maybe we have news today. Yep, and you can see what is happening due to the fight they are fighting. The US oil is gaining from it's gaining the ground, and let's see if there is CPI. There is any news today. This is around 130. There is USD CPI news today, which means there is CPI today. There is news today. So this is only news we have today. You can see this is the only news. All what we need is to what to stay before the news drop. We stay away 15 minutes before the news, and after the news, maybe 15 minutes or after 15 minutes or after 15 minutes or 30 minutes after the news, we enter into the market back. So let's quickly go into our analysis and see what the market has for us so that we can just stay ahead of the markets. Let's move to our chart and see what the chart has for us. You already know we started from gold, 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 gold USD and silver USD. This is BTC USD. Yeah, and this BTC, if you check the analysis, the video I dropped on Monday. I think this is Monday analysis, yes. But this analysis, I later closed it on Monday, I think so, but I was not able to join the market again. So I'm just leaving the market to just do what you wanted to do and just this is good. This is what is happening on gold now. This is what is happening on gold now. You can see. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my mouse. Sorry for that. And let me use my keyboard mouse. You can see this is daily time frame. This is daily time frame, and you can see the market is in between what the low and the swing high. This is swing high. This is the swing low. This is what the market is telling us. Market is in what is in bullish. If you want to say this market is valid, you should wait for market to break of structure to come and take the buy. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what the recent 4 hours time frame is telling us. This is the recent time frame on 4 hours. Market is telling us we are in what? We are in uptrend. This is the last supply zone market mitigated that pushed the market down. You can see this is the last supply zone market on 4 hours time frame that pushed the market down. And what we are seeing now, we are seeing recent uptrend. This is recent uptrend for us. You can see this is and this is other block for me because this is where the seller enter. This is other block for me. Maybe this other block is what is valid. The indicator will be slow because I'm using my mouse keyboard. So, and I do not like the mouse keyboard very like that. So let's just see what is happening. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is telling to. This is 1 hour time frame, and if we can read and if you can read the recent structure, this is where the market is. This is the FPG on 1 hour time frame that is trying to pull the market down, and I'm trying, and this is the last break of structure market created here, and this is another break of structure market, but this is the overall break of structure, in which if the market is coming back, there is what there is FEGA, which this is liquidity. There is FEGA, in which all these are liquidity. On which this is other block here. I'm sorry for that. This is other block over there. And let's see the opportunity. One hour is telling us there is buy here. You can buy from there. But the market has not mitigated this 4 hours order block. Man, this my mouse. I don't know what is happening to it. Hmm. And this is, let's just see. I think we are going to manage this one today. I'm going to manage it today because I don't like using this. And this is what 1 hour is telling us. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what 15-minute time frame is telling us. You can see there is opportunity here. All this ones serve as liquidity. So we are expecting the market, but what market is doing, this is the last break of structure, and this is where the market mitigated. Let's just see what market is trying to do. If this couldn't hold it, even if the market is coming here and this we push it up. So we are buying from there. So 1 hour telling us we are buying from here. Let's see if the market will come back and give us profit. So this is where our SP is. Let's move to Sliver USD. This is Sliver USD. This is what Sliver is telling us. Let's start from daily time frame. Let's see what is happening on daily time frame. This is what is happening on daily time frame. This is the swing low, and this is the swing high. And you can see the market is in between. This is the last break of structure on daily time frame. Market got change of character. Market came back to this FEG, but market is dishing us uptrend. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Since we have known that we are in swing, we are in between the swing low and the swing high. Let's just move to 4 hours time frame. What is happening on 4 hours time frame? This is what is happening on 4 hour time frame. This is what market is telling us. Market is telling us we are in uptrend. And what is happening here? What is happening here? You can see market respected this other block, and there is opportunity over here. There is FEG here. There is opportunity here. There is FEG here. So we have other block here because the market is telling us we are in uptrend, and this FEG was is going to push the market, may push the market, up. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is 1 hour time frame. This is what is 1 hour time frame is telling us. You can see 1 hour time frame is telling us this is where the opportunity is. But there is FEG down 1 hour time frame again. So we guys be patient. We guys be patient seriously, because this we guys be patient too. Seriously, 4 hours extension is not giving us where there's no FEG on 4 hours, but on 1 hour time frame, what 1 hour time frame is telling you that there's FEG down here, but this is going to serve as liquidity for me. On 1 hour time frame, this will serve as liquidity for me. So what we are doing now is just to take the if we can see the opportunity of sell to the this is where you are selling, because if we this is the last break of structure here also, but this is the low that give us that big last break of structure. So in which we gas be patient on this market. So we gas be patient on this market. If this couldn't hold it, definitely market is coming here to send the market back. So let's just be patient. Seriously. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what 15-minute time frame is telling us. This is 15, and you can see there is FEG down. So we got be patient. We got be patient. We are taking our TP here. On 15-minute time frame, let's see the social. This is the low that gave us all these ones are eternal. So there is FEG here. Let's respect that FEG, because if you see that FEG itself, let me see, because I'm seeing liquidity here. You can see double bottom here. So definitely, if that other block cannot hold the market, definitely that this this FEG is going to send the markets up. I don't know, it's the mouse that I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. This is what is happening. We are having FEG here. We are having FEG over here. And you can see our stop loss will be large. Seriously. Our stop loss is going to be large. You can see our stop loss is going to be large, and our TP is what is going to break this. It's going to break this inducement, this mitigated level. So this is what we are having on sliver. Sliver 2, we are buying. This is where we are buying on 1 hour time frame. Is either we buy from that FEG or we buy for that other block. But the FEG what is the perfect zone for the buy. Seriously, because there's all these ones are the internal liquidity. Let's move to on this on 1 hour time frame, so you can see all these ones are internal. They are internal liquidity, which market is going to sweat. The internal liquidity market is going to sweat. I say, yeah, the trend line internal liquidity market is going to sweat, but market expected this was FEG, FEG. The FEG, if you can see, market expect on sliver, market expected supply on sliver. I think last week I mitigate this. I plotted this as what opportunity to sell. Seriously, last week, but due to the market, I don't know what happened. I close the entry, and you can see the market is coming here. This is where the opportunity is. On 1 hour time frame, this is where the opportunity, and this is what this is trend line liquidity. Same to on what on this. If market couldn't hold it here, this serve as trend line liquidity also. Market will come to what to retest and what continue the uptrend. So this is what we are having on silver and gold. So also let's now move to US 30. This is where we are taking our TP. This is the other block we are taking out. Yes, because you can see on 1 hour today is what there is opportunity here. You can see. So all this will have liquidity, but it's liquidity. So let's just move to US 30. Let's see what is happening on US 30. We are buying on gold and we are buying on silver also. This is this is US 30. Let's see from daily time frame. You already know from daily time. No, this is Ethereum. Let's just keep Ethereum. Let's just keep crypto. Is the one that we analyzed last. So let's move to US 30. This is our US 30. US 30, we are extending us massive bullish. Seriously, seriously. This is what is happening on US 30. This is where the demand zone market mitigated. You can see this is the FED market mitigated, continuing the uptrend. And there's still opportunity here. This is the swing high and this is the swing low. Market is in what? Is in between the swing high and the swing low. Let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what is happening on daily time frame. This is what is happening on daily time frame for us. This is what is happening on daily time frame. This is what is happening. You can see this is the last break of structure on daily time frame. This serve as inducement. This serve as inducement for me, which liquidity is going to sweep, and this is the last break of structure on what on 4 hour time frame. You can see this because this is the break of structure. This is the break of structure. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to see opportunity. But as for me, there is opportunity here. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This is what is our this is the last break of structure, and this serves as what break this serves as breakout block. But we cannot use it anymore again. Let's just delete it and say this is change of character. On 1 hour time frame, you can see 4 hours and 1 hour time frame just is they are what they are in the same direction, but on 1 hour we just redefine what we see on 4 hours seriously to see where there the opportunity is. And if you can see all this serve as liquidity for me. After market, this is inducement. This is the inducement that is trying to push the market back. It's the one that is trying to push the market, and this is where the opportunity is. This is where the opportunity is. We are having what? We are having other block there. What we are having what? Change of character other block there. Because this has already mitigated. This has already been mitigated. So we are buying from here. We are buying we are buying from there. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what is happening on 15-minute time frame. Maybe there is opportunity. We can define the market on 15-minute time frame. There is no opportunity on 15-minute time frame. What the recent opportunity is what is here again. So you can say this is our what? This is our stop loss. Our stop loss is going to be large, but our stop loss should be okay than what to be fitting of the market. You understand? Down to be the victim of the market. Let's put our surplus here. Let me see, maybe there is FEG, there is small FEG here. No, they said there is no FEG here. This green candle has already destroyed it. This is where we are. This is where the opportunity is, and we are buying. We are what? We are buying from that place, and we are our stop loss will be here. Our take profit will be there. So let's see what the market is trying to do. This is what we are seeing on what on US 30, and this opportunity what is valid. You can see this opportunity what is valid. This opportunity is valid. This opportunity is valid. So let's see what we are having. We are still buying on US 30. So let's move to GU. What is happening on GU recently, self? Yeah. See what is happening. The war is the war that is. Yes, this is what is happening. You can see we are in what we are in uptrend. This is the what swing low and the swing low, and market is in what is in between the swing low and the swing low. And this is where the FEG. This is the last break of structure. Last break of structure. Market will get this FEG continuing that trend, and this is the FEG. So let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what market is trying to tell us. This is the last break of structure markets give us on what? This is the last break of structure market give us, and markets break this other block here. Turn to change of character, and we are having FEG here. We are having FEG over here. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's define the opportunity on 1 hour time frame. Since we have known that we are buying on 1 hour time frame, this is the way the opportunity is on 1 hour time frame. This is what this is inducement. You can see this is inducement, and this is where the opportunity is. This is where the opportunity is. Which we are seeing in what we are seeing in bullish, we are buying. And this is our TP over here. This is where we are taking our TP. You can see because there's FEG over the FEG up self. So we are taking our TP there, and there is liquidity here. This is liquidity. This is daily liquidity, seriously, and this is daily time frame FEG. So we are buying the market from there. So you can see this is the low. This is the higher low, higher high. This is the higher high. Market give us this is the lower high. Sorry, this is the lower high. This is the what? This is the lower low, and market give us what? Higher high, higher high. So market is coming here, continue the uptrend. So on 15-minute time frame, let's see the opportunity. Maybe we can redefine the opportunity of 15. As you can see, we cannot redefine 15 minutes or 15 minutes. There is no opportunity we can't redefine. We just need to what to our stop loss is our stop loss is okay. So if market can mitigate this FEG and continue the uptrend. So let's move to EU. Let's see what is happening on EU also. This is what is happening on EU. On EU, this is our swing high, this is our swing low. You can see last break of structure in which this what is happening here is what in between the swing low and swing high, and this is what correctional movement. Let's move to the 4 hours time frame. Let is what's happening on 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, this is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame. This is what 4 hour time frame is telling us. This is liquidity swept. As for me, this is not change of our character. This is the liquidity swept on what on the market. And there's what there's other block here, and there's opportunity here. But this place is valid than this place because this retracement is not 50%, so it's not too valid. As for me, it's not too valid. And this will serve as liquidity here because there's FED here. This will serve as liquidity also. So let's just find where the opportunity is. This is where the opportunity is. There is more FED here. The FED is closer. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see where the opportunity is to the 1 hour. On 1 hour time frame, this is what the 1 hour time frame is telling us. This is where the opportunity is on 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, on 1 hour time frame is giving us change of character here. You can see 1 hour time frame is giving us change of character here. Market respected this other block. This is where the market is expected. Seriously, the market expected this. Market expected it. So the market is on 1 hour time frame. Market is giving us internal change of character, and this serve as inducement. Which markets need to sweat before anything. And this is where the opportunity is. I think this analysis I saw it yesterday. No, I saw it at the midnight around at the midnight. So maybe when the time I'm doing Tajud Sha, when I'm doing Tajud, I saw this opportunity. So I just created this opportunity that I may not be in the market or I may forget. So our stop loss, you see, our stop loss is large. So we guys be patient. Let me show you let me show you let me show you if you can see if the market you can see. Let me see maybe can you see it? I've I've placed it self. I've placed it. I do not think maybe it should very well. Let me just write. I've placed it. So you can this is my history. This is my history. You can see this is the history of your boy. Uh yeah, you can see your boy is still pushing. He's just pushing. You can see he's just pushing. You can see the red, 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 red. No, there's nothing we can do in this market. We just need to be patient and just be patient and see what the market is going to do. If the market does not favor you today, it is going to favor you tomorrow. That's it. That is my own belief, seriously. That is my own belief that if the market does not obey today, definitely it will obey. So just keep the belief and stay disciplined. Be pushing. It will be okay. Let's see what is happening on UJ. This is UJ. This is what's happening on UJ. On daily time frame, this is the swing high and this is the swing low. Seriously, you can see market is in between and you can see market is expected this supply because you can this is This is the first touch. I call it resistance. Seriously, it has turned to resistance because market has touched this two times or third time safe. Seriously, let's you can see market has touched those time. This is the first one touch, second touch, and the third touch. And this about liquidity, which I expect the market to come back here because there is opportunity here on daily time frame. If the market want to push it back on daily time frame, we are having the opportunity here because there's FEG in between. All this one serve as liquidity trend line. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what 4 hours time frame tells us. This is the opportunity I see on Monday, and this is FEG, but market what? Let's just see what the market is trying to do. This is what the market is trying to do. I need to adjust this. It's too large. Let's move to 4 hours. So on this 4 hours, we guys be patient on this 4 hours because you can see market is in what is in zone, is in zone. So sorry, we can't just trade because this zone is very powerful. So we just need maybe this zone is going to break it or this zone is trying to push it back. If this zone try to push it back, definitely we are coming here to what to push it up again. We are coming here to push the market up again. So we guys be patient, as I said. We guys be patient too, because we cannot just because the market is in zone. So we guys be careful on with this zone. Because as for me, all these ones are serve as liquidity for me. All this because daily time frame has given us where the opportunity is. This is where the opportunity is on daily time frame. So if you want to follow daily time frame, this will serve as liquidity trend line for me. If market still if market still pushing it up, so let's just be patient. Maybe this market is going to push it down. So we guys be patient. We are in a zone. This swing is very strong. You can see this is the first touch, second touch, third touch. So if the market try to push it on daily time frame, this is where we have the opportunity. So we are what? We are just buying from there. We are just buying from there. Let's see 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is telling us. You can see we are just buying from there. This is how as what you can see. This is where the opportunity is. We are coming here to buy the market. So we guys be patient on this daily time frame. Let's see. Maybe this market is going to sell. If this market is going to sell, it's going to come here again, shut this, come back again. That is what the market is doing because this zone is very powerful. You guys be patient on that zone. You guys be patient if you're serious on that one. But on daily time frame is giving us what data this daily time is giving us. This is the last break of structure. As for me, on daily time frame, this structure, this is not it's not a valid break of structure. It's not valid break of structure for me because it does not retrace 50%. Valid break of structure retraces 50% of the Fibonacci retracement. And this is what I think this is the change of character. And if market may come here, check this liquidity, come back. So you just be patient, as I said. So let's just leave the market here. So I know that we are buying. This is where the opportunity is. We are buying from here. Let's move to DJ. This is what is happening on DJ also. You can see this is the perfect trade, but I did not take this trade. This is the perfect trade. You can see this is the last break of structure. swing high, swing low, and market. This demand has pushed the market. Let's move to what? Let's move to this is what's happening on daily on 4 hours time frame. This is last break of structure change of character. There is small FEG here, which I'm expecting the market to solve this liquidity. And you can see market has given us another break of structure here, which means what we are in bullish. But all these trend line market created, I'm sure that all those ones are liquidity trend line. As for me, they are liquidity trend. They are the what? They are liquidity trend line because market cannot just created all this. You can see as market is going up, it's just mitigating those candle without leaving and with the week. Or I will say this is liquidity trend line for me because there's a small FEG here which market need to mitigate before continuing the uptrend. So let's just see what is happening. This is the recent break of structure on 4 hours time frame. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see the opportunity on 1 hour time frame. This is the opportunity on 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is telling us on 1 hour time frame. Here is other block. This is the big construction. Um, on 1 hour time frame, we guys be patient. This is where we are buying. 1 hour time frame structure is giving us we are buying from there. One hour time frame is giving us we are buying from there. Let's just take one ratio three. Let's see where the opportunity is to take this in. This this is where the opportunity. This is where I taking the profit because this place of our supply where the seller enter. So we are buying from there and we are what taking the profit over there. Let's move to 50. Let's move to 15 minutes. 15, this is what 1 hour gave us. And let's move to 15 minutes. Let's see what 15 minutes is telling us. This is what 15 minutes is telling us. Definitely we are what? We are just buying from here. We guys be patient to see the way we are just buying from here. This way, this where we are buying. So this is what we are having on GJ also. Let's now move to crypto. Let's see what is happening in crypto. This crypto, I know that I felt couple, but the reason why I say I think I'm in loss on Monday. The trade I opened since Friday later took me out. So this is what we are having on daily time frame. You can see the market. There is the swing low. There is the swing. There is the swing high, and there is the swing low. Market is what is in between, and market does not give us perfect direction. This is the perfect direction market gave us. This is the what market give us. This is the last break of structure. This is change of character. Or if you check my Monday video, this is the analysis I see on Monday. And this is change of character order block. And this is the break of structure. This break of structure give us FEG here on 4 hours time frame. On 4 hours time frame, but we don't know what market is trying to do. Seriously, you can say this. Sorry, this is sell, private sell. If you check the video on Friday, this is what I'm seeing. On Monday, sorry. And this is sorry for that, Charlie. This is the reason I like using mouse. And this is what's happening. This is the last break of structure, and this is all the serve as liquidity, and there's liquidity down here because what there's FET here. So I'm still expecting the what they said, while I'm expecting the buy from what from here. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's happening on 1 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. You can see the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure market, but markets after this. So let's just see, maybe there is opportunity for us to take this trade. To take this trade, we guys go to 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame. This is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure here. And this is the low. And the game on this high. Let's just move to 15-minute time frame. You can see opportunity to take the trade, to join the market. If you want to join the market, you are not forcing anybody to join the market. But if you want to join, this is the last break of structure, 15-minute time frame. This is the what? This is the market has not broken it. We guys wait for the market to break this with full body can. After breaking it, we can just trade the market, or we can just do on one on what on 1 hour time frame. We can just set we are having what this will be low. And just say we are having break and structure. You understand? We are having break and this I think is fairly safe for us to sell if we want to sell the market. If you want to sell the market, because some some will use this. They say break and retest, and let's go to future 5-minute time frame. This 5 minutes, this one that's happening here is not. I just see what is happening. You can see on 5-minute time frame, this is what we are having. This is the last break of structure here. This is the last break of structure here. Markets integrated it. Let's just see what we can do on this market. If we want to join this market is for sale, but to join the market is what I'm looking for. To join the market is what I'm looking for. And to join this market, we got to be patient. You can just say on 15-minute time frame, you can see, and this is the multiple rejection. You can see first rejection, second rejection, and this will just be break and retest. So we just be break and retest, or let's now move to this is what I'm seeing. This analysis, what I'm finding is just to join the market, but I did not see how to. I did not see just on 15 minutes. If you see break of structure here with full body candle, definitely we are joining the market. Let's see Ethereum. Ethereum too. This is what Ethereum is also giving us. You can see on daily time frame. These are swing low. These are swing high. You can see market is in between. We move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. This is the last break of structure here. Here, I not the market it. This is change of character. Market mitigated is, and this is the last break of structure here. You can see, and there's FEG down like BTC also. And what we am saying, this is the other block here. Market mitigated the continued dash, and there is liquidity here. Matching the need to sell before continuing the uptrend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. You can see the opportunity to trade the market. This is the last break of structure. Market mitigated this break of structure. This is the last break of structure market gave us. This is the recent break of structure. And market as on BTC also, market has not broken this low to say we have joined it. But there's FEG here, which we can join the market from here. Let's just see 15-minute time frame. If you can see the market join 15-minute time frame, you can do it. You cannot see the market. There's FEG here. If you want to join the market, there's opportunity here where this is where the buyer enter. There's opportunity. Then there's FEG here. Let's see on 15 minutes on BTC also maybe there's FEG. There's no this FEG is not strong. There's no FEG here. There's no FEG. All this one has already been closed. So Ethereum is telling us we are having Ethereum is telling us we are having FEG if you want to take this set from here. But this is what market is trading. You can see the liquidity here. This block of structure. Market came back to this place. Give us another block of structure. If market can mitigate the liquidity, but I will expect the market to come here to give us the downtrend. So far, this is what I'm seeing on BTC and crypto also. So this, if you do not see BTC and crypto join, don't bother yourself seriously. Don't bother yourself to join the market anymore. Don't bother yourself to join the market anymore. See, don't bother yourself to join the market anymore. So this is what we are having. This is what is happening. This is what is happening. On what? I think this this market should not do you can retest so because better come back to this other block and continue the downtrend. So I want to join this market too. I'm not being so fam. This is what I say. You already know my name is Aboyeji Sodiq. Aboyeji 001. Sorry for that. I did not deny it, but I like this Aboyeji 001. Kindly don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person what to see my video whenever I'm dropping it. You already know you don't chase the market, we follow our process. If there is no opportunity, we move away from the market. Then the next day there will be opportunity. So it does not mean to be making profit every day. If you see your setup, just take it. If you see your setup 3 days a week, just take the setup and move away from the market. So this is what I'm seeing. This is what the market is printing up for us. So I pray may all be or may all may all may we be may we be in all may we be in may we all be profitable and successful in this trading journey and any other skills we are doing. Peace and love. Love you. Thanks for the patience. Have a successful, profitable, and blessing day ahead and ahead of this week also. Thanks.